Hello, welcome to my review where I'm going to talk about GoPro 7 and what I've learned about it and the accessories that I was told that you must get. So I ain't going to go too much into the GoPro 7 because apparently it speaks volume for itself, as you would see on all the other reviews, probably because they've been paid or they've got loads of free gadgets for nothing. However, what I did learn about it is when you come to record or set it up, make sure that when you buy it from Argos that you do get the free battery pack with it, worth about nearly 50 quid. However, you need that because it takes you 2 batteries to 3 batteries to try and figure out how this works. It's took me days. Oh, and it does take good pictures. It is a cracking camera. It is waterproof. It does take a SD card over 32 meg or gigabytes, should I say. But I think you need to format it first. It does do widescreen. It does do up to 4K. It does do linear, which a new word I learnt. Basically, it's just like a TV. Now, talking to or listening, should I say, to the professionals that have their videos and blogs or vlogs on YouTube, that this is a good starting camera for us novices and amateurs who want to start doing their videos. However, it's not as simple as it looks. So if this is an intermediate good start off camera, come on GoPro, make it easy for us intermediate and amateurs. Don't make it complicated with your ISOs at 100 to 1800 and not giving us a clue on how to use it. Have it coming out the box ready to go, because that's what we want. Shooting camera. Oh, by the way, and to set it all up, still haven't figured it out. I've only had it nearly a week. According to a gentleman on YouTube, dead easy to set up. It's got its new features, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and connect to this and connect to that. Fantastic. Only if you've got time on your hands, you're going to be alright. However, what I did find out is, according to the professionals, that the sound isn't too good and you have to invest yourself into a Rode microphone that goes with this. Now when you're watching them, oh yes, they've got it all set up there, fancy, and the lead in there. However, you need a case and housing for it to go in, which I found out and learned. Yeah, that's not too expensive. The stand isn't too expensive. The microphone's quite reasonable at 40 quid or £50. Well, yeah, 38 to 50 quid. You can get these Rode microphones that everybody says that they stroke like a little mouse, and they're supposed to be fantastic. So I got the GoPro, I got my battery charger, I got my Rode microphone, which is supposed to be fantastic. I got the housing that goes with it, I got the tripod. However, when I got it all together, it don't fit. You can't put the wire into your GoPro. You need another lead called the GoPro mic adapter for the GoPro 7. don't get the mic adapter for the GoPro 3, 4 or I think it's 2, 3 or 4, 5 or whatever it is, 3, 4 and 5, because it don't fit. Oh, and by the way, the lead is probably no more bigger than that. It's probably nearly half as big as this, and it costs £50 for a lead. A little lead like that costs £50. Now if your sound is not so good on there, right, and you need something like this for when you're outdoors in the wind, not under the water but in the wind, and come on GoPro, you need to give us a lead, so when we buy the likes of this stuff or Rode, you need to provide a lead to fit this. These are both working in conjunction with each other, and you know that we need that lead, and someone is charging 50 quid for a little lead no bigger than this. That this fits into the back of this, and that fits into the GoPro mic adapter to fit in this, which then in turn goes in this. £50 for a lead. Daylight robbery. Anyway, I can't wait for when I actually get this working and running, and apparently you can use this live and stream. I haven't figured that out yet. I'm trying to figure that out. And also, and it's dead easy to put these videos straight onto YouTube. It ain't that easy. Maybe for you guys with your big fancy computers and your big fancy technology, but me with my iPad, because computers, I haven't got a computer, I've only got an iPad with your apps, and that's what these are designed for. Don't work. Haven't sussed it out. Can't get a video off this straight onto this. That's why I'm recording this, not on GoPro. So I am excusing for the quality in picture and the sound, because I'm waiting for a £50 lead. And if GoPro sees this, send me one, or make it write a comment below. I'm not dishing this, because apparently a GoPro, I've had one before, loved it, really excited about this one, the GoPro 7. Looked at the picture already, fantastic. Battery life a bit crap. You're gonna have about 2 or 3 batteries. Batteries only last, it says an hour, but it only lasts about half an hour. And apparently you got to do other settings inside. I think your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, your voice recognition. But what's the point of putting it in here if it ruins your battery in about half an hour? Why don't you make a battery that makes it all last, so all the features on here out of the box work? Okay. Oh, and by the way, as soon as you get it, you've got to do some sort of firmware thing or whatever it's called. I don't know. But learning all these new gadgets and tech and little things that is coming out, just can't wait for when it's up and running. Can't wait for when your new Rode mic's up and running, and I can't wait to fit it in my new fancy housing up and running. Anyway, that's enough of me video. Click the like button, do a subscription, because I've got some more videos coming, and take care. Bye for now.